Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to log in into your Lloyds Bank account. Whether you're logging in for the first time or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you out. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Lloyds Bank website. That would be lloydsbank.com. Make sure it's official website so you don't get scammed. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button, which is usually found at the top right corner. Tap on it and you're going to have to choose personal. Then the login page will load. You'll see the fields asking for your user ID and password. Enter your user ID in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. Be sure to type your password carefully to avoid any errors. After successfully entering your credentials, you'll be logged into your Lloyds Bank account. You can now access all the banking features such as checking your balance, transferring funds, and more. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Lloyds Bank account. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.